Hello, my name is George Escola, and on this video I'm going to cover what we learned in Session 7 of the Success Challenge for Affiliate Marketing from the 4%. Previous sections 1 through 6 were recorded and are on my blog, so you can go to my blog and watch those if you wish. In Section 7, we started out with the checkpoint, which just made sure that we had covered everything that we needed to cover in the previous sessions. And then Vick got into the perfect setup. The perfect setup, he was referring to a hub, and how do you set hub up for maximum business and maximum effect? He started out by diagramming on the board his hub. Here's the diagram that Vick drew on his whiteboard. Now, it's not my purpose to tell you how to do all this stuff. What I'm telling you in this video is what we did and why we did it. So Vick's hub is called Ask Vick, and attached to that is his YouTube channel, his Instagram channel, his Facebook channel. He's also attaching to his hub various funnels. He's got one here for the Advanced Marketing Academy, for the YouTube Business Builder, and he's also showing down at the bottom that his goal is to get 1,000 members in his VIP club, and he explained how he's going to use his VIP club to get those members together and to give them a special first only the over-the-shoulder view of what he's doing to build his website and become successful, to reach his goal of $1 million in 12 months. So he's got a couple goals here. One is to make dollars, as I just mentioned, $1 million in 12 months. And number 2 is to build a community. And a community is so that he can give them value and help them in their business, but also so that they can then help him keep the business going, and they become the prime customers as he teaches them how to build their business. He can give them value in the form of other ways to make money and to build their business. So we're helping each other in this process as we go along. Now he's showing over on the right that after you make a sale, these people go through the course. He's using as an example here AMA. An AMA is a $770 commission sale. But after that, as they go through and build their businesses, they take the AMA course and learn how to build their business, they will need other tools, and those tools can become multiple sources of income because they have to have their tools anyway. It doesn't cost them any extra to use our affiliate link to go buy that tool. Every time they renew their monthly membership, then we get a small commission. So that turns into multiple sources of income for us, and it can add to the business sometimes significantly. If you have a large number of members who are going through adding those tools to their business and paying the monthly subscription fees, the multiple sources of income can add up to be quite something. That was it for that. Let me go back to the lesson. Session 3. After talking about the perfect setup, he went on to explain his YouTube strategy, and it's not my purpose here to teach you that strategy, but he went through quite an elaborate system of setting up his YouTube channel so that researching the various things for each video so that they would have maximum impact, so that they would get maximum exposure from YouTube, and he could build his subscriber base quickly. And then he had other strategies for later on how he's going to add ads to it and target people who have seen his videos and subscribe to his channel. These would be warm traffic that he could target. In step 4, he talked about hub content syndication, and what he means here is that when he makes a video, he also posts it as a blog on his hub. He may post it on Facebook. Instagram, and he may tweet about it to give people a link to go see it on his YouTube channel. What he's doing here is he's getting multiple uses out of each piece of work that he does. He then went on to talk about his Instagram strategy and how he was going to post not only business things there, but some family things and current interest, what he was doing in his activities, some mindset things and things like that. So in the fast results traffic, what he was referring to here was going back in the 4% to the internet traffic marketing and looking at the fast results traffic in there and learning how to get fast results traffic. So then he had at step 7, mindset to success, to help us with our mindset, and then a quick review of the whole thing, and we were done. So last time in session 6, I told you that I would give you some results that I had attained after session 6, but before going through session 7. Those results are over here. I made my first sale shortly after running some traffic to my AMA funnel, and I got a monthly commission of $114.64. And that first sale was the only one that I made in that first month. It was right at the end of the month. In the next month, I had commissions that totaled $1,114.76 and made 5 sales. Things are moving along. It shows that the funnel is properly set up, that people are going through, watching the webinar, going through to the sales page, and actually signing up for the AMA. That's it for this time. Next time I'll cover what we learned in session 8. Click the button below, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell so you'll be notified when I post future videos. I will see you on a future video. Thanks for watching. Bye now.